going to be making scar wax today. In this video, I will be trying to attempt to make my own scar wax. I don't have scar wax on my own, so I'm just gonna make it, and it's very simple to do. I'm going to follow this video on YouTube on how to make scar wax from like stuff in your kitchen. If you try this, let me know how it works for you. I feel like this will be a fail. Probably not, but I'm gonna try it because I like making things. So we're gonna...
Today I'm going to be teaching you a couple of homemade SFX product recipes, which you can see here.
Okay, his scar wax is big. I don't know. I'm just gonna...
I've done. So you will need a tub to mix it in. You will need some plain flour.
Flour.
2 spoons, or at least 2.
Should I go get a spoon? I'm gonna get a spoon. Got a spoon.
And some petroleum jelly or Vaseline.
Jelly. I don't feel like washing. Ooh. I keep dropping things. I didn't want to get a bowl at all. So I'm just gonna use this little cup.
So to start off, taking all of the 4 main ingredients, well, 2 main ingredients and a tub and a spoon, empty out the Vaseline into the tub with 1 spoon, then taking the flour, fill up that empty Vaseline tub with the other spoon, just so you don't get any Vaseline in your tub.
So it says to take the jelly, if it will, oh, there we go. I'll be using a little bit than what he did because I have a smaller bowl. There. This is what it looks like right now. I took 2 spoonfuls of Vaseline. Okay. Now I'm gonna take flour.
I begin mixing all of that together, and it should probably still be sticky, so I added enough.
So this is what I have put. Yeah. Maybe I add, oh, well, I'm gonna just keep mixing until it does something before I mess it up and keep adding things, and then it just turns into a total fail. It looks like cookie dough. Maybe I added too much of the Vaseline, because I don't know. This is not a tutorial, just letting you know. It's a try and fail thing, where I try it and it'll eventually fail. Probably not, but it looks like it will. What if it's like too sticky looking?
Vaseline pot, and then I added about 4 spoons of flour. Just that.
Let's just do this. This, I'm just gonna dump it out. Yep, we're gonna use our hands. It feels like Play-Doh, really liquidated Play-Doh. They said if it's sticking too much, you need more flour. Here we go. That should be enough.
And mix it all together, and there's me just testing the consistency, which I did make it correct, so thumbs up to me. Now showing you what it should look like. So
okay, his looks more like Play-Doh. Mine looks like glue. It is sticking so much, I have to keep putting flour on top of it every time. It's sticking. Oh, I will be making my Halloween costume. I haven't started. I drew it out and colored it in my journal, so that will be probably a next video of me constructing and doing my Halloween makeup and costume. My goal is before Halloween, so that's in 2 days. I think I should have got a bowl. Yeah, I'll wash my hands and get a bowl. Okay, and pour it into. I think I got this knife out because we're gonna need that flour. The guy added 4 in the video, so I'm at 4. Okay. Ooh. Here we go. Okay. Let me know in the comment section what your Halloween costume is going to be like. I would like to know. It would be nice to know what your Halloween costume will be. Oh, I thought it was raining. What about to say? After Halloween's over, going straight to Christmas. I love Thanksgiving. I love food, but Christmas is way better. It's Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving for me. That's enough. I don't know. I hate the smell of this Vaseline. Like, it's just add more flour. 3, big one, 5. They said if you take it out and it doesn't stick to your fingers, it should be good. Maybe I need to add a little bit more flour. Oh, flour's at the bottom. Take a. No. It broke. Down on the floor. Maybe I should just take them out, like individually into balls, and roll them out in flour and see if that helps. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you can see this, but there's my scar wax right here. And then if you put it should smoothly go on there, but it's still breaking. That's 1.